Did you know Libby has read-alongs? This is mind-blowing for parents, teachers, and kids. Libby is an app that lets you check out books in digital format from your local library, which for me is the Indianapolis Public Library. Here's how it works. Search for a specific title or general keyword, then sort by read-along. Check out the book, then watch what happens. And look at this.
Salsa. Our teacher says, first, feel the beat in your feet, in your heart, then you start. Take a
So it
chance,
highlights
you'll learn
the words
what
being
is
spoken.
hot, what is not.
Full page.
Don't be shy, come on, try. In this class, show some sass. So I do, take my cue, take my chance, salsa dance.
And also on your phone or an e-reader of any kind, Kindle or Amazon Fire. Wow, read-alongs. Fabulous.